Alright, you guys.
Skinnier.
Are they getting me walking or something? Because I need to.
I just didn't try to get up.
I know this thing on here, its headscarf is just holding
It's
on.
sliding on.
It's holding on to dear life. I ain't gonna lie. But I need them to go. Go!
I'm like, yeah.
Alright.
That's when you gotta make up something to do. She watching too.
I don't know why you bother. I don't.
Yeah.
It would say with the warnings. It would get what happened.
Where you headed?
We just riding.
Going with the wind.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid the rain, so wherever the rain's not gonna be, that's where we're just gonna go.
Yeah, we used to ride. I don't ride no more.
What? Why not?
Well, I had my knees done.
knees replaced. They told
Actually, and I don't
Strike.
like that nobody's paying attention when everybody's texting.
That is true.
Yeah.
You know?
You get you a Harley, they can hear you though. You just,
Yeah, Harley's they can't hear nothing.
when we leave, you're gonna wake everybody
That
up.
is true.
You just gotta be real defensive. But,
It's time
yeah,
to
we
get
used
up
to.
anyway.
We used to go up in New England, Vermont,
Okay.
Maine. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It
It
is.
is.
A lot of fun.
Harley Davidson.
I miss it.
When you get you a trike, you'll be fine.
It's not the same thing. I'm gonna take my shirt off. Put out.
I'm gonna crop that part out.
You just recording yourself packing up?
Yes, this is how we pack, y'all. It's a bright, early day. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And
We should have been gone
but
at 5:30.
we should have
I
been.
heard you talking at 5:30. I was in and out of consciousness.
But I was being nice.
How?
I was like, we can sleep in because the rain moved and shifted. But we're gonna hit rain.
Guarantee.
Oh yeah. It's right above us. The way we're going.
We're gonna go towards Kingsport. Yep, you guys, good morning. We are just, like y'all heard us say, we are just getting ready to ride wherever the wind blows us, and hopefully the wind doesn't blow us into some rain. Truthfully. But if it do, I got my flippers.
You gotta get the buttons up.
I ain't gonna ever be able to do what I want to do with the type of crowd that we got going.
That's what I said.
Bungees. Bag.
I was about to ask when you got a camping yet now.
Y'all, this is my masterpiece. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. But we're like, no, sooner than that, like 7. Because we are 5 hours right now. And I think we
Yeah,
like
it's out of hold. Got a clip down to that. I ain't cleaned my bike. It's okay. I knew I was gonna be in rain.
Okay.